Building a mobile app has been very easy with AI and vibe coding. You just have to type the prompt describing your app and AI tool will write the code and build your app in a few minutes. But all these vibe coded apps look somewhat similar and UI UX doesn't feel personal. So what if you can build an app with your own design? And that's exactly what I am going to show you today through a platform called Superapp, where you can just paste the link of your Figma design and it will build the app as per that. So let's get started. So this is the website of Superapp. You can see build iOS apps with AI, your technical co-founder for Apple ecosystem. So you can build apps for iPhone, iPad, even Mac OS through this platform. And first of all, you have to sign in through your Google account or your Apple ID, and then you can download it for your Mac, and then you have to install it. Along with that, you have to also install Xcode if that is not installed on your Mac, and then you can just open it and vibe code your app. So this is the interface of Superapp, and on the home page you can find an input box where you can just type whatever app you want to build. You can describe its features, and today I am not going to write a prompt because I am going to use a Figma design. So let me show you the design. So this is a Figma design I found online for a job portal app, and today I am going to build an iOS app for job portal. And you can also find such designs on the Figma website, and you can also design by yourself. And currently I am going to build an iOS app with this design. So what I will do is I will just right click and copy link to selection, and now I am going to the Superapp platform, and here you can see there is an option for import from Figma. And before that, you can also select the device type for what device you are building your app. So here you can find iPhone, iPad and Mac OS also. So currently I am building an app for iPhone, so I am selecting that, and then I am going to click here import from Figma, and I am going to paste the link which I copied from here, and then I am just clicking here import, and now Superapp will import the design from Figma and it will build the app which will look similar to our design. So let's see how much time does it take. So you can see here Superapp has started building the app. It has created some files, and you can see here it is creating .swift files because Swift is a programming language developed by Apple, and every app for iPhone and iPad use Swift programming language, and Superapp also builds native iOS apps. That's why it is creating .swift files using Swift programming language. So now you can see it has built the app, and I think it is looking great. Let me see my design. You can see this is our design. This is our home page, and then this is the section, and currently this screen is showing here, and I think the design is looking like somewhat not exactly like this, but it has taken a lot of inspiration from our own design and it is looking great. You can see this is a job board where you can just click and apply. So if I click here on the Superapp and scroll up, you can see here it is showing what's built: onboarding screen, home, job discovery screen, job detail screen, tab, navigation. So currently it has also created different tabs like search tab, saved and profile, but it has not built all these tabs. Currently it has only built the home tab, and I think it is looking great. So it is also showing some prompts like you can click here directly, add a real profile screen and add job saving. So currently I am typing build all the tabs, and now Superapp will start building all these other tabs which it has not currently built, just it has structured the app in different tabs. So now it has finished the task of building all these tabs which I had prompted earlier, build all the tabs, and now you can see here it is showing like all tabs now built. Which tabs are built: search tab, saved tab, profile tab. So let's see how the app now looks. So this is the home page. You can see it is looking exactly like our design, and then if I click on start searching, so now this is the job board showing different jobs in different companies. You can see this is the design, and if I click on any job post, let's see how it looks. So I am clicking on this senior UX designer, and now this is the complete job description you can see. and its design is also similar like our own design. You can see this is the design of complete job description, and here it is showing exactly like this. And if you want to apply for this job, you can just click here apply now, and your application for this job at Google has been submitted. So I think it is working great. So let's see another tab of search. So you can see here are different like categories: design, marketing, finance, sales, and here are all the jobs. So it is also working good. Then here is saved. Let's see. Let me first save any job post. I am opening this graphic designer and I am clicking here save, and now I am going to saved tab. You can see here is a saved job, and now I am going to profile section, and here are different jobs as per the interest. You can see you can add your skills, what you know, and then here it is showing recent activity. Then there is dark mode, light mode. So it is currently not working. So you can just improve your app by prompting here. Let's say I also want light mode on this app. Currently it is showing the option of dark mode and light mode, but it is not working. So I am typing here dark mode option is not working, dark mode. So this way you can just type your prompt. You can just ask Superapp to change or to add whatever feature you want to add, and this way you can build your app in whatever way you want, and whatever features you want to add, you have to just describe to Superapp and it will add that to your app, and this way you can very easily build any type of app you want to build. Now it is showing light mode now fully works. So let's see. I'm going to click here on the dark mode toggle, and now you can see it is also showing a light mode option. So currently our design is in dark mode, so I think it is looking better in dark mode, but you can also see it has built light mode option, and the design is also looking great. So this way you can build any type of app you want to build through Superapp. You have to just describe to Superapp through a prompt, or you can just add your Figma file, and then after you can just improve your app by typing the prompt asking Superapp to improve this feature or that feature, and that way you can build your app. And when your app will be fully built, then if you want to connect it through cloud storage and database, you can find an option here. You can see connect your database to store app data. So if you click here, you will see the option of Supabase integration. So Supabase is a platform for database authentication and storage, and you can create a project here, and then you can connect your app through Supabase, and then all the data any user will put or you will post, everything will be stored here. So first of all you have to start a project. So I am clicking here start a new project, and then I am clicking here new project. You can see I had earlier created 2 projects for different apps, and now I am going to create a new project. I am naming it job board, and I am just typing a password here, and then you have to just click here create new project, and your project will be created. And then you have to connect on Superapp, and you can see if I click here, you will see the project job board, and I am clicking here connect. And after that I have to click here Supabase backend, or you can just type connect it to Supabase project. And now Superapp will just integrate your app with Supabase, and it will store all the data of your app, all the user data, authentication, everything will be stored on Supabase. So now you can see it is saying Supabase schema created 6 sample jobs seeded into the database. So now whatever data you will feed or any user will input, so everything will be stored on your Supabase project. So if I go to Supabase, you can see this is our project, and if I go to table editor, and now you can see here are different tables like applied jobs, then here are the job postings, then there is profile. If anyone create their profile, it will be stored here, and there is saved jobs for that specific user specific profile. And now I am going to show you another feature of Superapp which it has recently launched. So you can see this icon connect paywall with Revenue Cat. So Revenue Cat is a platform through which you can integrate payment system into your app, so that you can make premium apps, or you can like add subscription. So this way you can very easily monetize your app through Revenue Kit. And when your app will be fully built, you can also publish this app to the App Store through Superapp itself. Here you can see an option publish. You can see submit your app to the App Store or test flight. If you click here, you have to sign in through your Apple ID, and then you can just publish your app. And for that you need an Apple Developer Program membership, and if you haven't enrolled into this program, you have to just enroll here. It will be charged $99 per year, and then you can publish your app to the App Store. So this way you can very easily build any type of mobile application, iOS application through Superapp. And you can also build apps for iPad, Mac OS, and even Apple Watch. So Superapp is a very great platform for building apps for Apple devices, and the link is in the description, and you can try building any type of app you want.